guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to join Twitter community. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your X app, then over here you can see on your home page, you can see two-person icon on fourth after home and search, and this icon over here. Here you can see the option of this icon represents to the community, so tap on it. Over here you can see so many communities are there for your suggestion. I want to follow X communities, so I'll type X community. Search for any community whichever you are looking for. I'm searching for X news community. I've got it over here, so I will join this. Before joining, over here you can see the community guidelines. You have to make sure that you follow all the guidelines, then tap on agree and join. You have joined the X news community. Now tap on join, and in case if you have to send, you might as well have to send a request. You might need approval to join the community, otherwise you won't be able to join the community if your request is cancelled. So make sure you agree and you follow all the guidelines that are given there. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube.